Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a new board in Jira 2025. If you're a project manager, developer, or just getting started with Jira, creating a board is key to visualizing your workflows, tracking tasks, and boosting productivity. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Atlassian website and sign up. It's free for basic use. Once you're in, you'll land on the Jira dashboard. Look for the sidebar on the left. That's your navigation hub. Next, click on Projects in the sidebar. This will open a list of your existing projects. From there, select BODs. It's often a submenu option. If you're new, you might see a prompt to create your first board. Now, hit the Create button, usually located at the top of the page. Jira will ask you to choose the board type. For 2025, options include Kanban for flexible task management or Scrum for agile sprints. Pick what fits your project best. After selecting the type, you'll need to link it to a project. Choose an existing one from your list or create a new project if needed. Then, customize your board by adding columns, like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or set up filters and swim lanes to organize your work effectively. Once everything looks good, click Create or Save to finalize it. And just like that, your new board is ready. You can start adding issues, assigning tasks, and collaborating with your team. Remember, Jira's interface might evolve, so always check the latest documentation if things look different. This process is straightforward and will help you stay on top of your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.